Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by Money Stocks. Today is November 15, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, you're going to see that they are trading lower by a quarter point. Right now, sitting around the 26.98 level this morning. So we'll see how this market plays out. Right around here, we had a pretty good rally around 3 o'clock in the morning. That faded, and now we're basically back to the flat line. This has been a volatile trading week. It is also options expiration tomorrow, so just take that into consideration, and we'll see how this all shakes out and plays out going forward. But we have lots of stocks in the news, so let's get started here. We're going to start off with a big one today. Walmart. Walmart right now trading at 102.43. Stock closed at 101.58 yesterday, so nice little uptick for Walmart. We'll see if it can gain from here. When I look at the stock right now, I have to say the upside looks a little bit limited. So, again, I'm not sure we're going to go up too far today in Walmart, but nonetheless, it is up ahead of the opening bell. So we'll leave it at that, and we'll see what it gives us. When I'm looking for levels here, I'm not really seeing anything standing out to me right off the opening bell here. So let's let it give us a little bit of a pattern. We'll look at it closer and we'll see where we are. But right now, Walmart upticking a little bit. The movement in Walmart could affect Target. You want to keep that on the radar today. You also want to keep Costco, C-O-S-T, on the radar as well. They can all be affected by Walmart, and we'll see how that plays out. Here's another big one today for earnings. Cisco, they reported last night after the closing bell. Stock closed at 44.31, now trading at 46.22. Again, Cisco has a lot of resistance around the 48 level if it gets there. So keep that on the radar. A lot of resistance around 48. Potentially quick retrace back down off that level. So we may get an intraday short play there. So we'll keep it on the radar. We'll be looking at Cisco this morning. Next up, I want to take a look at the Chinese ADR, NetEase, NTES. Stock closed at 219.71, now trading at 230.60. So NetEase, very, very strong today, holding up well. That's after earnings. This could have a lot more upside, but right now, around the 241 level, looks to be very good resistance. Here we want to take a look at NTAP, NTAP, or NetApp as it's called. Stock right now is trading at 72.12, closed at 78.03. So this is getting a little haircut. I worked out some levels. You'll have some small support at 70. I don't really love that level. But a level I like for this stock today is $66. So keep that on the radar. $66 area should do the trick if it gets there. I don't know if it will, but it's fallen quite a bit already. Let's see if it goes a little bit further. 66 bucks. Good level for NTAP. Next up, we want to take a look at JCPenney's, leading retailer here, but this stock has been in the gutter for a long, long time, and it's in the gutter again this morning. Closed at 122, now trading at 107. Not much I would do with it one way or the other. Let's take a look at CSIQ, Canadian Solar. This one right now is trading at around 14.10, closed at 13.71. So good resistance around the $15 level today, even more resistance around 16. If it gets up there, maybe you get some pullbacks off those levels. Next up, we want to take a look at Oracle, ORCL. Looks like Warren Buffett added this to his Berkshire Hathaway portfolio. So again, Oracle with a nice little pop here. I think there's a lot of resistance still around the $51 level, so keep that on the radar. JP Morgan also added to Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway portfolio. Stock closed at 107.33, now trading at 108.25. Looks like Warren Buffett now has his portfolio filled with bank stocks. Half of it, I believe, is filled with different banks. Next up, we want to take a look at Symantec, SYMC. It looks like Starboard, ValueNet, and Glenview have taken a stake in the company, according to the 13F filings. Also, the CEO purchased 2 million shares. So, stock right now trading at 22.08. Had a big pop yesterday. We'll see what it does today. A lot of resistance around the 25.5 level if it gets there today. So let's keep it on the radar. Let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold trading up $2.40 to $1,212 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, you'll see that's trading at 114.61. We have crude oil higher by 31 cents to $56.75 a barrel. Take a look at the USO. That's trading at around $11.98. You have nat gas finally pulling back today. That's trading at $4.55 a unit. That's a decline of around 6%. So nat gas finally coming in. If you take a look at the UNG today, that's trading at around $37, and that closed at $39.32. So again, that's what we have on the board today. If you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great 2018, great week. And again, we're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year and beyond. So come on over, check it out, trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we will see you all on the charts.